Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and signing in. This links your subscription to your Google account. Next, tap your profile avatar in the top right corner to open the account menu. Once the menu appears, scan for the Get YouTube Premium prompt or Purchases and Memberships entry. This is where YouTube surfaces subscription options. Make sure you're on the correct account. If not, switch accounts now, because your membership will attach to the active Google profile immediately. Once you see the premium offer, tap it to view plan details. You need to review what each plan includes and why prices differ. Compare individual, family, and student options, and check the free trial length versus the billed monthly cost so you know when payments start. Make sure your preferred payment method is set up, credit card, Google Pay, or carrier billing, because YouTube charges the method on file as soon as the trial ends. Proceed when you're ready to commit. To finish, confirm the plan, accept the terms, and authorize the payment. You may need to enter your card's CVV or re-enter your password for verification. After purchase, look for a confirmation email and the premium badge next to your profile avatar, which shows the subscription is active. If you don't see premium features, clear app cache, sign out and sign back in, or verify your billing address with the payment method. If problems persist, contact support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.